Yogis, welcome back to part 4 of the beginner series. If you're not following along with the beginner series, no worries, feel free to hop right in. We're going to start at the center of our mats today, an easy pose, so legs crossed, spine is nice and straight. You can cross either shin in front for today, don't worry about it. Sit up tall and go ahead, close your eyes and catch a hold of the shins to keep your back flat here. Pull your belly button in and connect with your breath. Moving from thinking into feeling. Think about your intention for practice today. Why you want to do yoga today. Is it to feel better? Is it to relax? Either way, make sure it's coming from a positive place. And on your next inhale, start to open your eyes. Take your hands to your knees. We're going to do some circles in our easy pose. So bring your chest forward. Feel an arch in your spine as you come forward and round your back as you come back. So just circling the spine here. A little bit of hip opener. Kind of find your cat and cow like we did earlier. So cat your back and cow your back as you come around. Going in either direction will change ways in a minute. I love starting class like this. This is like my favorite way. Let me know what you think about it. And go ahead, reverse which way you're going. I'll count on you to know. Use the help of your knees here to stabilize and make sure your belly button's still pulled in nice and tight. One more circle and we'll meet back in our easy pose. Go ahead, change the cross of the shins just to keep things even, and we'll take a twist from here. Left hand behind our back, right hand to left knee. Look over your left shoulder, twist. Use the help of your right hand to kind of pull your spine deeper into the twist. Change sides. Left hand to right knee, right hand behind the back. Make sure your spine is straight, chest is open. Look over the right shoulder. Twist. Pull your belly button in nice and tight and just wring your spine out here. Feels so good early on. Come back through center. Go ahead and roll forward on your knees for your tabletop pose. Set up properly on your and we'll go ahead and tuck our toes under for downward facing dog. So we're going to do 2 sun A's and 2 sun B's. I will walk you through every step of the way. So breathe in your down dog. Get connected. We'll move a little bit quicker today. And we'll take quite a few vinyasa. So modify where you need, okay? And feel free to skip a vinyasa out if it's too much on your wrists or shoulders. Look forward. Right foot steps in between the palms. Low lunge. Left foot meets it. Fold. Legs are straight. Reverse your swan dive. Flat back. Palms reach out and up and touch above our head. Look up. High mountain. Dive forward with a flat back, fold. Right foot steps back. Left foot meets it. Downward facing dog. Coming forward through to our plank pose or knee plank. Lowering to the belly. Or taking your half push up for chaturanga. Up dog or cobra. And meeting in down dog. Look forward, left foot steps in between the palms. Low lunge, right foot meets it. Fold, reverse your swan dive, palms touch above head, look up. Dive forward, hands plant. Left foot steps back, right foot meets it, down dog. And vinyasa of choice. We'll meet in down dog. which is really our home base in Vinyasa. So like I said, get comfortable in your down dog. Right leg rises and steps through. Low lunge. Left foot meets it. Fold. Reverse your swan dive. Back is flat. Palms touch above head. Look up. Dive forward. Hands plant. Right foot steps back. Left foot meets it. Down dog. And Vinyasa plank. Chaturanga. Inhale. Up dog. Chest shines forward. Exhale. Down dog. Left leg rises and steps through. Low lunge. Right foot meets it at the top. Fold. Reverse your swan dive. Palms touch above head. Look up. Dive forward with a flat back. Hands plant. Left foot steps back. Right foot meets it. Downward facing dog. And Vinyasa plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Look forward and baby step your way up to the top of the mat. Hips sit back. Arms reach forward and up. Chair pose. Pull your low belly in. Sit your hips back a little bit lower. Gaze is past the fingertips. And dive forward over straight legs, fold. We're gonna do a hop back. If you're ready, you can always step back. Hands plant. We're just gonna hop to plank. Come up high on your toes, step your feet back a little bit. Grab the mat with your finger pads. And just go ahead, hop right back to plank. Lower, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Nice work. Let me know how your jump went. We'll do those a lot in power vinyasa where we move a little bit quicker. Right leg rises and steps through for warrior one. Back foot's at a 45-degree angle. Arms reach straight up. Hands frame the right foot. Step back, down dog. And Vinyasa plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Left leg rises and steps through. Low lunge. Coming into warrior one, back foot at a 45-degree angle, arms reach straight up. Inhale. And on your exhale, frame the left foot. Step back, down dog. And Vinyasa plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Look forward and just baby step your way up to the top of the mat. Fold. Take a breath. Hips sit back. Chair pose. Arms reach out and up. Glutes are strong. Exhale, dive forward over straight legs. Fold. Either stepping back or hopping back. Step your feet back a little bit. Come up high on the toes. Hands plant. Grab the mat with your finger pads. And we're just going to hop to plank. Meet me there. And then Vinyasa Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Right leg rises and steps through for warrior one. Back foot at a 45-degree angle. Rise up, one breath. Exhale, hands frame right foot. Step back, down dog. And Vinyasa, or skip it out if it's too much. Left leg rises and steps through. Warrior one. Rise up. And on your exhale, hands frame left foot. Step back, down dog. And Vinyasa plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Nice work. Right leg rises and steps through. Low lunge. Left toes are tucked under. We're going to come from here into our high crescent. Rise up. Arms reach straight. Left toes are tucked, so both feet face forward. Hands frame the right foot. We're gonna shoot the right leg straight up and back for our tripod down dog. Right foot comes back through. Low lunge. Left hand plants. Right arm reaches up for our runner's lunge with a twist. Gaze is up. Feel your hip opening up here. Both hands frame the right foot. Step back, down dog. Breathe. Left leg rises and steps through. Low lunge. Right toes are tucked under, coming right into crescent. Arms reach straight up. Both feet face forward here. Breathe. Hands frame left foot. Left foot goes straight up and back. Tripod down dog. Left foot comes back through. Low lunge. Right hand down. Left arm up for your runner's lunge with a twist. Look up. Both hands frame the left foot. Step back, down dog. Go ahead, come to your knees. Take a child's pose here. Hips sit back on the heels. Arms can be straight in front of you or by your side, or you can fold them up and make a little pillow for your forehead. 5 breaths here. Rise up nice and slow. From here, we're going to come into camel. So we did camel earlier in the beginner series. We're going to take it one step further this time. So hips are above your knees in one line. Hands come to your lower back like you're putting your hands in jean pockets. Maybe your baby fingers are touching side by side. Squeeze your elbows together behind your back and use your hands to actually push your hips forward and squeeze your butt cheeks together nice and strong. Check the alignment of your knees, so there should be about 6 inches distance between your knees. If this feels good, go ahead and drop your head back and go back halfway. So keep your hands there. We're not going to catch the heels. Just go back halfway. So start to really lean back, but you still have the support of your hands so you don't go too far. Drop your head back. Feel the chest open. Breathe. Come back up nice and slow. Use your hands. Just go ahead, sit on your knees. We're going to set up for hero's pose. If you have a block, please use one. This can be a little much on the knees sometimes if you have sensitive knees, so I want you to be really careful. I will link these blocks. I think I got these for $10 on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the bottom of this video for them, okay? So if you don't have blocks and you want to continue practicing, I really suggest getting blocks. So stay here. We're just going to bring our heels to the outsides of our glutes. And our hips are going to sit in between our heels. If you're like, whoa, this is way too much, I can't do that, you can sit up on a block. You can take the knees as wide as you would like. It's just important that your heels stay glued to your hips. We're going to take this into a back bend. So if you are sitting in between your heels, you're not having any pain in the knees, we're going to start to lower back. So hands come to the feet. We're going to lower to our elbows, one elbow at a time. And then we're going to lower to our back, one shoulder at a time. Our chin is going to tuck into our chest. And our arms come up over the sides of our head. You can catch opposite elbows. Really pull your belly button in here and make your body into a tiny little human bridge. And breathe. If it's ever too much on the knees, just come right back up. If this feels good, you can walk your knees in closer. Great stretch for the tops of the feet. Let's reverse, come out the opposite way we went in. So hands to feet, use your elbows to help you up. And let's go ahead, sit back on our hips, swing our feet out in front of us, release all that fresh blood to our knees and joints. It's a really, really healing pose. Sit up nice and straight. Arms reach straight up, belly button pulls in and folds forward from your lower back to catch your feet. If you can't catch your feet, just catch your ankles or your shins. If you're like, I can reach way past my feet, you can take your block and get a little bit extra length. So whatever is good for you, hold it here. Flex your toes back towards your face. Pull your belly button in. You could even use 2 blocks here if you're super flexible. Whatever is good for you. Just hold it. And release. Arms reach straight in front of us. We're coming into corpse pose. Pull your low belly in here. We're going to lower nice and slow for a count of 5. Don't move your feet. 4. Don't move your feet. 3, 2, 1. Completely relax. Bring your heels in close to one another, arms in close to the body. Close your eyes and absorb the effects of your practice. Stay in Shavasana as long as you would like. Again, thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you have any questions about what we practiced today, or if there's anything you would like to work on. I would love to customize a video for you. Namaste, yogis. I will see you back soon.